Hello, this is issue number 3 for Robi magazine. In this issue, we are assembling the right shoulder of the robot. It's yeah, this again. In this issue, you can also open the cover from the top. Okay. We'll take out the cover. This is the first circuit board that you have received from the Robi magazine. Okay, so see these two holes, you have to align with these two holes. That'll be how it looks like. Okay, a recommendation is to put in the screw first. We get a part protruding. Do the same thing for the other side. And then you can screw in the screw. Yep. Now we can tighten the screw. So now we are done with the right shoulder. So the next thing is this wire. Okay, and this protective pad. If you look at the connector properly, if you look at the connector properly, you see the push character over here. Whereas the other side, you get nothing. A quicker way to identify is that you observe the three gold connectors. One side is at the end, the other side is in the middle of the connector. If the gold connectors is in the middle, this is the side with the push character. So we will fix one of the protective pad on this side. One thing to take note, make sure that your protective pad don't conceal these three fingers. So now you see after you have done with this side, repeat the same thing for the other connector. So if the gold connectors is in the middle, this is a side with the push character. Likewise, do not cover the connector. Make sure that your protective pad sits below the connector. And there you go. This is the end of issue 3.